Diane has reached her limit. The betrayal from Jack cuts deep. But what hurts even more is knowing that Patty manipulated the entire situation. The idea that Jack was drugged and used for only make Diane's anger grow stronger. For her, this is not just about jealousy, it is about justice. Instead of confronting Patty with words, Diane chooses a more dangerous path. She follows Patty quietly, watching her movement and waiting for the right moment. The tension builds as Diane struggles between control and emotion, but in the end, anger wins. In a sudden and shocking move, Diane pulls out a gun and shoots Patty. The moment is quick, but the impact is huge. Patty collapses and everything changes instantly. What started as a revenge has now crossed into something far more dangerous. After the shooting, Patty is rushed to the hospital in critical condition. Her life hangs in the balance. No one knows if she will survive. The situation is uncertain, and every second becomes important as doctors try to save her. For Diane, this moment is complicated. She wanted Patty to pay, but now she must face the consequences of her own actions. This is no longer just about anger. It is about what happens next. If Patty survived, the truth could come out. If she does not, the situation becomes even more serious. At the same time, Patty's fate remains unclear. She has survived difficult situations before, and it would not be surprising if she finds a way to pull through again. But this time, the damage is severe, and the outcome is far from certain. Now everything is on the edge. One life is hanging by a thread, and another may be about to change forever because of one decision. Will Patty survive this attack, or is this the final chapter in a dangerous story?